Hi all, welcome to Nesto Academy, supervising skills since 2009. Are you curious to know about the debtor and the creditor relationship in context of the fixed deposit? In this video, we are going to see about the relationship between the bank and the customer in detail. Now, the customer amounts a certain sum of money into the bank. The amount deposited by the customer is the debt and the debt goes into the bank. In this scenario, the bank is a borrower and the customer is a lender. We can also term it as the bank is a debtor and the customer as the creditor. In this relationship, the bank are free to use the money in the most beneficial way as it wants, and also the amount should be paid by the bank as and when the demand has been raised by the customer. The demand should be in the form of check, DD and withdrawal form, and it should be submitted only in the working hours of the bank. There is no security from the bank. And the law of limitation does not begin to run until a demand has been made for repayment in case of both the demand and the fixed deposit. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe Nesto Academy. Thank you.